All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Sports Little Man Over Market, and today is June 3rd, and this is the ES Morning Call. Sorry about yesterday. We had some technical problems, couldn't get the video out, but you're going to have it out early today, and hopefully, we have some things to look at that will help you. A lot of action already today. We got a 21.1975 high Globex. We got this unfinished bottom here at 21.0675. Don't put a lot of credence in that. We had some the economic news out of Europe. The ECB is going to continue its $60 billion a month or 60 billion euros a month on buying and quantitative easing. They're seeing some signs of recovery in Europe, and so that they think that there's something to go on with the inflation. Key thing we have to understand that's going on also is the fact that we're moving towards rollover. We're fluctuating between a 200 and 300 point premium. So we need to understand that I'm going to start giving you a lot more cash numbers until the rollover is complete. So based on this, we've got these dead highs up here at 21.2275. I believe these are unfinished when I look at this ZA here, QR, and then also this 21.24 and a quarter. All right, so we've got to be looking for that. Um, when I'm looking at the different cash levels, you know, this high up here at 21, right up here, the 21.27 would be important to my next cash level. So I got a cash level of 21. Let me bring the cash chart in so we know what we're talking about and what we're talking about as I relate it to the profile. Okay. So here's my cash levels that I'm looking at. Of course, cash is not open yet now, but based on the market trading at 21.16 half, 3 point discount, that would put cash about 21.19. As you can see that I have an important cash levels at 21.20 and 21.16. So I think we're going to be stuck right in this level right in here, and we have to get above 21.20 to keep moving. And you can see on the cash basis, our 30-day or 30-minute pivots at 21.21, basically '09. So this cash level is important. We get above 21.20, then we're going to head for the 21.30 cash. That's the next important level. Key support is 21.0960. Yesterday, guys, girls, people, if you're on Twitter, you went to Top Step. We called the bottom. 2099 yesterday was support. We said that you had to look at 2099, and as you can see, 2099.14 yesterday was the low. It also, now when you take a look at the profile, right? So yesterday, how we talk about you have to take the Globex low to keep going. Well, look at 2096 quarter was the low. 3 point premium puts us at 2099. So we stopped right there on a dime, and the market turned around the rest of the day. Um, which are the things that I'm talking about, right? So if we talk about my key cash levels, so I've got 21.0960. So key support today is 21.07, and we got our bull bear zone at 21.10. 21.16 key cash level, we got to stay above that. 21.16 in the cash, all right, would put us at 21.13. So right now looks like we're firmly above the cash level. All right, I keep adding between a 2 and 3 point premium because based on volatility, we're bouncing back and forth between that. Right, so a 21.20 getting through that would be 21.17, right in this level where we're opening up. So we got to keep an eye on the cash level when we open up. Can we get above that 21.20 area to keep this rally going to the upside? So all the data that came out, based on the world manipulation of quantitative easing and so on, is there was nothing negative in there. So I think the stock markets are sort of reacting to the negative interest rates and the ECB maintaining its policy, which is good because they didn't throw a kink in the armor. But we still hear all the bullshit about Greece. So I don't want to start with that nonsense, but that's where they're at with that. Another thing that I want to talk about yesterday too is the fact when I throw out this middle, guys, I throw it out and I put it out and I gave you a picture. Take a look how the middle yesterday was formed, okay? And that was it. We never went, we once we got back above it. And yesterday I made a short recommendation with a stop at 5.25, at 5.5. So it was a shot at trying to go in and fill the bottom. The cash rally held, and we were out at 5.5. Now the next thing you have to, the way you would play this is that you want to be along above the 5.5 area with your stop below 3.25. If you'd have did that, you would have never gotten stopped out. You could have caught that rally all the way up to the top, right? So that's one of the things that I threw out yesterday. I'm going to be doing more of that for you. So understand when I throw out the middle and you see it, this is a key area for me, all right? Bonds are going crazy. Made a low of 51.08. Is there a rate hike imminent? I don't know. I mean, the only way I can give you an idea why I think bonds are going to get a rate hike is the fact that the Fed has no ammo. And they're going to have to, if they got any sense that the economy was improving, we would get a quarter, so that they could go up a full basis point, and then they'd have some ammo if the market would turn around and slide the other way. All right. Crude, big number on Friday. Like I said, I think we're going to see what OPEC has up its sleeve on Friday. Went up at that 61.5 yesterday, and then bang, we're trading way below value. 60.87 will be our point of control, and look, the bent crude and the fracking oil price is $65 to break even, and OPEC is going to put a lot of pressure on us by keeping the price under there for producing. All right, I said it yesterday that North Dakota was the only state that had negative job creation last month because people were getting laid off based on the fact that we're not drilling oil. And here's the other thing is that the other reason we can't drill oil is that we're at capacity for storage in the U.S. Capacity and storage in the U.S. is causing a great problem with how much we can drill and so on. All right, so looking at gold kind of reacting to the ECB and inflation, stability. Things seem to be getting better. So I think there's been a sell-off in gold. We are trading inside value. We got the bottom here at 1187.20, 1187 even. Still trading in that range between 1230 and 1160. So, you got to get above 1194 half. This time we failed up here at the 1200 level right here and couldn't get back above it. So maybe, looking to go out and take that 1160 out. I think 1130 is the low on the year so far. So, keep your eye on gold. Basic range bound, and I think reacting to the sort of stability news, if you want to call it stability. All right. So we're trading at 21.60 We got the high here. We've got our value area high at 21.1275. We got the point of control at, the bull bear zone at 21.10. 21.0775 is the point of control, and then the 2100 a quarter will be the the 21.1 a quarter is the value area low. Remember, we got that middle at 21.05 half to 21.03 half. We'll see if the market trades above value, can work its way back into the top at 12.75. Remember, that would also be 21.16 on the cash, which is a key level for us. So I'd be keeping an eye. As long as we're going into this rollover period, you got to keep an eye on the cash because there's going to be a lot of R between the cash and the futures. Okay. All right. We got the Dow up 85. We got Nasdaq up 33. Russell up 4. We're up 9. And I think that's all based on the news out of Europe. So we've got some other numbers out, not real important movers, but nonetheless coming out at 8:45 today. All right, everybody, have a good day trading. Talk to you later. Bye.